Leverage your contacts, live your dreams. After reading this book, you will understand how you can leverage your contacts to live your dreams by creating financial freedom and time freedom for yourself and your family. So let's get started learning how to turn contacts into cash flow. Turn to the next chapter to learn how capital is changing from a rare commodity controlled by a few super lucky people from super rich families to an abundant commodity controlled by ordinary individuals like you and me. The individual is the central, rarest, most precious capital resource of our society.